one of the other question is, what can I do to protect my intellectual property rights in China?
Right now, China actually has been working hard for the past years to protect the intelligence, secret, or means business secret. And for now, that the thing is, uh, if you do business with China, and you have to find a really trustful partners in China, and the China government, the law is very, it's I mean, it's developing and it's really protecting the intelligence in China. So I think they will be fine, yeah, before the China's means the law, based on the law, yeah.
Mhm.
Thank you.